Hi guys, welcome to Everything Machine Learning. Yeah, now in this section, human trust detection. Okay, I have in dataset in Kaggle. Okay, how to build that model I'm using the human trust detection in using the machine learning algorithm, and I'll be go step by step how to build that model. Okay, I import some libraries, pandas, numpy, matplotlib, also using cbonds. This is my data and copy and paste. Okay, this is my data frame and SC or SS or T or team, this like that. I don't know what is that. I have remove, and after that remove that column. Okay, see that this is my data frame, and I replace my that column. Okay, this is a range, exploratory rate, and body temperature, and body oxygen level, eye movement, number of hours sleep, and the heart rate, all the test level. Okay, this is like that 0 or 1 2 3 4 this numbers. Okay, encoding that 0 is less trust, and 1 is medium, 3 is also medium or high, 4 is high. This is like that as prediction value my trust level. Okay, this is my data frame. Okay, now we go step by step how to build the model using our human trust detection. Okay, and I'll be check my data frame is day up. Okay, how to check my correlation first. This is not see that how to see my save my one variable. Okay, now our correlate the my prediction, import that column and test level. Okay, copy and paste here. Okay, now will be run the code, check. This one my stress level is 1 and a heart is 0.9. This is positive correlations, negative correlation with positive. The all variable is the positive or negative correlation. This is all the variable. This correlation is very big. Yeah, this sometimes is multi-collinearity problem. Is a duplicate train the model. Okay, this is avoiding that. The choosing the feature selection is the best. You have to use best feature selection after train the model. Your model is good. Okay, this kind of data is definitely how using, and multi-quantity problem. Okay, yeah, to now step by step how to select your feature selection. Okay, how to apply the model or to train the model. Okay, yeah, now I go to first I'm using the feature selection. Using feature selection, now I import some libraries. This classification problem. Okay, from a scaling I import and feature selection, import first as k best, and select k best. Okay, and also import sklearn on the mutual info classic. Traffic. Okay, so this one has feature selection and import. Yeah, now we have to run the code. Now we finish. Now I am create one variable in k best. K best, I have to select k best. Okay, and apply then the mutual info classic. Okay, and k best is if I'm using or using the 4. Okay, using k based or the 4, using the 4 variable, and the best I'm using 4. Okay, I have to now the model and the select feature. Okay, which feature, and the k best using the fit. First you have to split the your data, okay, and I'm using the from sklearn model selection, import render split. Now splitting your data. Now split x or df dot ilog all the row and column and -1. This is my x, okay, this is my x value, and y ilog data frame dot ilog, and this one or -1. Now we run the code. How to check my y? Yeah, this one. Okay, now split my data and x and y. How to extrain y train, how to see it after go to the feature selection you are using. Okay, extrain the test y train y test. Okay, assume train test split x y and test the size 20%. I have to run the code. Now we finish my x train y train. Now finish my extrain item. Now what are using the feature selection, I'm already import the select based and the mutual info classific. What are using that k based, are using the four variable and import my selecting variable and the four using. Okay, now I'm using extrain and y train. Okay, now we run the code. Now we finish. Okay, now using the select feature. Okay, select feature and dot, sorry, how to apply first column or extrain columns. Okay, now I'm using select this one. Okay, select feature already import the model, let copy or paste what to using. Yeah, now to go get support or column. Okay, get support using that. Now will be output for the four column using the four variable. This is flow range and respiration rate and blood oxygen level and heart rate. Okay, these four variable and the k best this algorithm using. Okay, and the feature selection. Okay, how to fit the model, how to perform your accuracy after another feature selection using after you have to using the score check. Okay, now first feature selection I have to using, this is for column. Okay, now to split my again of x and x1 d of first column is this one, copy or paste, and again respiration rate, blood oxygen level, and heart rate. Okay, now finish. Yeah, some code. Yeah, now we finish my four variable, this is my x1. Okay, four variable my x1. Okay, now I am selecting the future selection, this is four variable in k best. Okay, now apply that four column, how to my performing my training and test score check after using another feature selection. Okay, Now go to apply the model. I am using the algorithm in sample import on AdaBoost classifier. Okay, and run the code. Now you apply your model and create one model one. Okay, model one dot fit the model at train. Now before x train y train, have to split again. Okay, this one before. Now have to split again using the feature selection. Yeah, using feature selection I using x1. Yeah, this is x1, this is y, this is new data frame of x1. Okay, only 4 column. I have to run. Now this one is x1, this one is x1, this one is y1 train, this is y2 train. Okay, now it will run. Now finish. This is 3 column. Okay, only x train. See my x train. This is my x train. Okay, only 4 columns. Okay, only 4 columns using the feature selection. That column using, I'm using the first model. Okay, now to fit the model and x1 train and y1 train. Okay, now fit the model. Now finish. Got to check my model one score. Okay, score one and x train or y train. Now also apply my train score on test score and check test and y test. Now for the print train score. Okay, also print my test score. Okay, now run the code. See my train score is 58 and test score is 65. Yeah, you see my model is overfitting. Okay, not generalized model. This model is overfitting 58 percentage or 65 percentage is different, and definitely my model is overfitting. Okay, this feature engineering or using my feature selection. Okay, using the another feature selection, you have to based or not, I have to applying the another. Okay, okay, and then I'm using the feature selection tool. Okay, using the feature selection tool. Next one, now I'm k best before using the k best. Yeah, before I'm using the k best. Okay, now I'm copy that code and paste here and paste here. Okay, same using the k best and also using k percentile. Okay, percentile, using the percentile. Okay, add a run code. Now we finish. How to same using that percentile model. Okay, select I'm using this sp and using select percentile. Okay, and also use a mutual info traffic using the percentile. I'm using a 10. Okay, using the 10 and select feature, select feature 2. Okay, now go to fit the model sp dot fit x train or y train. Okay, now it run the code. Now finish. Now go to check our column support x train dot columns and select feature 2 and dot get support. Okay, get support. Have to run the code. Now only one column. This is one other using the Percentile using the file. Only one column. And using change my percentile and percentile 10 I'm using over 5. So apply only one column. This is a percentile. This is not good. Okay. You have to using another percentile of 20. Yeah. You not use your percentile is okay. This is only one column. Is not good. Yeah, okay. Now go to train the model. Apply the feature importance. Okay. Now I am train the model indirectly. Train model. Okay. First I'm using model 2 dot fit x train or y train. Okay. So all the column not using my feature selection. This x train using see my x train. All the column. Okay. Not using extra dot. All the column. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. This is 4. Not that one. White. I have to run first this one. Yeah, now I want to check x train. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, all the column apply that model 2 in ada boost. Run the code again. Model 2 first you have to apply model and model, train the model. Yes, model dot fit. What is that problem? Model 1 I have to copy and paste here. Yeah, now it's good. Model 2 fit. Now will be run the code. Yeah, now we finish. Go to check my score. I'm using it's the same code. I'm using copy and paste and train score and test score. Okay, and paste now copy here. After using the model 2, this score is 61 or 53. Okay, 61 or 53. Model 1 how much? How to see model train score test score? 58 or 65. Okay, 58 65. This one 61 or 53. Thus improvement. The train score is very high. Okay, train score is 61. My test score is 53. This underfitting is not good. My model, my test is not working good. Okay, my test score is not working good. Generalization model means train score test score equal. Okay, 1 or 2 point is maybe, but your train score test score equally, your model is also working is good. Okay, generalized model. Okay, I'm using first feature importance on my model 2 dot importance Is my model feature important? Save my one variable in import. Okay, I'm convert the data frame. That's one. Okay, query dot data frame. I'm also save that one. Now I am using the feature. My feature is x train column, x train columns. Okay, now finish. And now this also convert my data frame, also concat that. Okay, using the feature. Okay, now finish. Go to pd.concat. Concat imp and again feature. Okay, axis is one. I'll be run the code. This, yeah, mistake is have. Yeah, now finish my features and that importance of values. This one is my features. Okay, and I'm using the import feature, and also change my column. Not feature dot columns. This one importance and again one is my feature. Okay, yeah, now we run the code. Now go to check import feature. Yeah, this one. Okay, now finish. Go to check my all the feature and importance auto plotting. Visualize that data you have to apply again or train the model. Okay, using sn dot bar plot. Next is import feature. First is feature and again y is import feature. This one import importance. Yeah, only run the code. Now we finish my bar plot. Okay. Okay, was feature is not visualized, that is very small. Go to x-axis, rotate the value. Okay, the tick params and rotation 90 degree. Okay, now we finish. Go to see my this one respiratory rate is 0.1. Also body temperature is high and the body oxygen level is high and number of hours sleeping is high. The three variables very important for my data. Okay, this is IMB movement rate is very heart rate. This is very small. Okay, smoothing rate range also small, but I'm using temperature and oxygen level and number of hours sleeping. Okay, using extract again and x2. Okay, def dot again I'm using another one for some body temperature. body temperature and 0.8. This one is 0.18. This one is first. Okay, and first, and again body oxygen level. Okay, this one is body oxygen level, also 0.18. Okay, copy and paste here again. And another one is number of hours as a sleep. Okay, number of hours sleep is very big, 0.26. Okay, and also go this also copy and paste here. And again, and 3 on the respiratory rate, respiration rate also big. What is the respiration rate? 0.10. This got also copy and paste here and select importance feature in 4 column. Okay, this 4 column and stored one variable, okay, other than the code. Some mistake here. Yeah, this. Now see my x2 dot head and to see this is my feature importance in the ADA boost algorithm. Okay, this feature 4 I'm using upline and train the model, check the score again. Okay, first I have to copy and paste here extra train test, and the long time is small time, that one and copy and paste, and here okay using the x2 and also x2 and also x2 y2 and y2, that's also in x2. Okay, now we run the code. Now check x2 train. This is my x2 train model. This is my x train. Okay, this is a 4. Okay, the feature important on selecting that ADA boost. Now go to train the model again check the my score. Okay, then copy and paste here everything. Okay, this one. Okay, this one, and also using train the model, also I'm using that one. Okay, yeah, I'm using the model 3. Okay, model 2 are using the model 3, and also fit the model and x train 2 and y train 2. Okay, now I have to fit and train the model. Now I'll be finished. Now I have to check my score on model 3. Okay, model 3. Now I'll be check on the x2 train and x2 train, x2 test. Right. Okay, so run the code. Now I'll be check how to see my score and 80 and 76. Okay, my third model is performing in goat. Okay, that's before my first model. Go to see my first model, go to see my first feature selection using the first model. I got a 58 and 60. Yeah, 58 and 65. This also using the overfitting. Yeah, and I am using extracting and again my train the model directly. Okay, I'm using not extracting any value. All the variable I am using. Again model 2 the 61 and 53 my score. My test score is not good. My train score is nice. Okay, and also I'm using that model 2 I'm using feature important extracting some features, and this one plotting features after using the extracting then that 4 important feature. Okay, name again I'm using the model 3 using. Okay, again train the model how to test or check the score, and 80 and 76 also is using 80 and 76. A difference in test or train, the 4 difference. Okay, yeah, 1 or 2 or 4. This is a little bit overfitting, underfit that now is caught. Okay, now to change my hyperparameter, how to train the model, how to using that. Okay, I'm using some hyperparameter. You want to check adaboost using some hyperparameter and a learning rate. I'm using learning rate. Okay, slowly down my low. Okay, 0.2. I'm using learning rate 0.2. Okay, before 80 and 76. Okay, now using learning rate 0.2, that my model is not good. Okay, this is my accuracy also less, my train score test score also less. Okay, this is before enough, my running rate not good. Yeah, running is not good ensemble. Okay, now finish run again. This is now this is good. No hyperparameter, default hyperparameter using. This model is good on 80 76. Yeah, now we finish my model, how to train and play with the code. Okay, yeah, thank you for this watching this channel. So share my this page in description, go to see and play the code. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.